Before asking increase my salary, just ask, okay, so I'm improving my ability. First improve your ability, then automatically salary by default will be riser. A simple example I am telling for you people. There is one ex-faculty is there in DURGASOFT. Ex-faculty is there in DURGASOFT. He handled DevOps sessions. But these days, DevOps a bit downtrend. How many people are going to accept this one? DevOps a bit downtrend.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What he did is, immediately, my admin and I, he had a discussion. Sir, agentic AI is the too good or AI related is the too good. Can you, why don't you explore this? Like, then this person, immediately within 1 month or 2 months span, he explored that new skill. He announced the batches. Earlier per month is not getting even 50,000 rupees, but is getting lakhs of money per month. Where is the difference?
He updated himself.
Exactly. He upgraded. He improved his ability to earn. Earning abilities he improved. Then obviously he's learning. He's earning. But there is another faculty there. He is handling some X subject. Sir, market that X subject already gone, sir. Okay, almost 20 years we run with that subject. That X subject already gone. But why don't you explore new things, sir? That person not in a position to upgrade himself. He is struggling like anything. His situation day by day going down. Next, borrowing 10,000. Give some 10,000, give some 20,000. This type of terminology is there for that faculty. Observe the difference, man. So, improve your earning ability. Increase your ability to earn. Explore new skills. So, based on the market trending, you require to change. That thing must be required.